Hello, everyone. Welcome to your Monday 11:11 meditation. I am Rebekah Borucki. I have a website called BEXLIFE.com, and I'm a mother of five and a meditation guide. And I'm introducing myself again because I've been getting a lot of new followers, and I'm so excited to see you all, to welcome you here, and to welcome you in to this beautiful space of peace and calm that we create together every single week on Monday at 11:11 a.m. Eastern Time. Hello, Melody. Thanks for joining. Before we start the meditation for anxiety and focus today, I want to invite you to click the links in the video description when we're done. The first one is for my new book, Managing the Mother Load, a guide to creating more ease, space, and grace in motherhood. That's there when you pre-order it before August 13th. You get a free audiobook version with it that I'm reading to you. And there's also a link to join my Facebook group and what else? Free anxiety tools, lots of good stuff. Hello, Lenny. Hello, Emily. So today I have something special for you. It is a meditation for anxiety and for focus. I'm going into the studio tomorrow, Tuesday, to record 3 new meditation albums for Hay House. I'm a contributor on 3 new albums. I'm going to be contributing 2 meditations each. And this one, I believe, is from, let me see. This one is from the 3rd album that is coming out in March of 2020. The first one's coming out in September. So I'm going to read it to you today, and I hope you like it. I love your feedback. Please comment below with any questions, requests, or feedback about this meditation. This is your meditation for anxiety and focus, your meditation to become calm and clear. Meditation is simply a way to say, yes, I see you. I recognize that you are a thinking, feeling person, and I'm here to listen. It's a way to check in, to turn down the volume, to create a tiny oasis, a little bit of calm in the midst of the storm. A way to free ourselves from the grip of distraction, to quiet mental chit-chat. Meditation is not only a way to get calm, but it's also a way to get clear. Begin your meditation by closing your eyes, removing all visual distractions, or maybe it's easier for you to focus softly on an object. Do whatever works for you. Bring your focus to your breath. Your natural inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Be the observer. Notice the length of each in-breath and out-breath, the depth, the sound. Does the air feel cool or warm as you draw it in through your nose? Notice how it feels as it passes down the back of your throat, filling your lungs, maybe reaching down into your belly, and exiting back up and out of your mouth. Silently or aloud with a whisper, say, inhale and breathe in. Now say, exhale and breathe out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Notice how in those moments that just passed, you were focused entirely on your breath. Maybe a thought crept in here or there, but it disappeared as soon as you brought your attention back to your breath. How magical is that? Notice how just by observing your breath, it has now become smoother, longer, deeper, and calmer. It's so easy to cultivate peace and calm. It's so easy to find clarity and focus. Now, a new thought might be creeping in right now. I want you to imagine it as a cloud floating by. Inhale, then let your exhale blow it away. As every new thought floats in, notice the thought. Take a quick look and then blow it away. Maybe there's a thought, an idea, a situation that you'd like to examine now. Pause for a big cleansing in and out breath, and then welcome in the thought. Inhale. Exhale, welcome it in. This is your safe, quiet, and peaceful time to sit with this thought, to examine it carefully, to consider all its angles. Imagine for a moment all the thought clouds that were floating by before have now parted, that the sky is big and blue and clear, and that only this one thought remains, the one you have chosen. Take the next few moments to observe the thought. Ask questions. Know that this time is perfect for figuring out whatever it is you need to figure it out. Rest in the silence, in the rhythm of your breath. Wisdom and clarity are coming. Now, start to return your focus to your breath. You're now even smoother, longer, deeper, and calmer inhales and exhales. With no effort at all, you have created this beautiful oasis of peace, calm, and clarity. As you move through your day, know that you can return to this place free from distractions, free from mental clutter at any time by simply bringing your attention to your breath, just by releasing your thoughts as easily as blowing away a tiny, weightless cloud. Allow life force to move through you now, waking up every part of your body, your fingers, your toes, the tip of your nose. Take a big breath and sit up tall. Let that big breath out and smile. One more time, inhale. One last time, exhale. And when you're ready, open or focus your eyes and return to your day, return to this space. So today was a little different. I read your meditation to you, which doesn't come naturally for me, but I wanted to test that one out before I record it tomorrow. I forget when I've been away for a while how good it is to connect with you, even in this way, even through a screen. connect to you and feel that shared energy of desire for peace. Just the desire for peace and calm brings you closer to it. So your practice doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to feel perfect. Just that desire is moving you closer to that thing that you desire most. Taking that first step, making time for yourself, asking for help, asking someone to join you. That's what I do here. This is my practice, folks, asking you to join me here. So now I get to return to my day feeling better, more equipped to deal with whatever inevitable stress might be coming my way. Having 5 kids and a business and animals and all of that, the stress is inevitable, but I am prepared for it always with my practice. So I always affirm 3 times to really seal it in that I appreciate you with a thank you, thank you, thank you, and also I love you, I love you, I love you. Please leave your comments. Click the links in the video description. If you're watching on replay, I still want to see those comments. Can't wait to talk to you. And I'll see you on next Monday for another meditation at 11:11.